Okay, make sure it's recording. Okay. It's recording right now, so just don't let it go off.
All right, wait. All right, yeah, go.
No, like go to the front of it.
Yeah, all right, that'll be good. All right, go. Bronco part 1. You're good. Short wheelbase is working good. You're good.
Brakes are good.
Wait. Hey. Give her some gas. Let's go. You're good. There you go. Go. Go.
The other side. I don't know if
Blazing trails.
I just ate shit jumping the creek, by the way. Fucking sucked. Pretty damn slippery. Hit her at an angle. Give her out. What? 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 Yell! Be a man, Quinn! This is on video. You're being a pussy on a video. Whoa!
Yeah, she handles it like a pro. That went right up that.
Yeah, once I put her in 4, she went right up that.
Yeah, that went right up that.
All right.
All right, make a quick little U-turn here. Just probably head right over that, huh? That little bumper.
Yeah.
Well, I don't actually know. That's a pretty steep drop off.
Where?
Right, walk straight ahead. Straight forward. Walk straight forward. See right there? Is that pretty? I was gonna go right over that little bump.
If you turn hard, you'll be fine. Just don't actually.
If I turn on, I'm gonna be rubbing.
I don't know though. I turned pretty hard over there and it didn't rub. I don't think it rubs anymore. You're good. Keep going. I'm looking. Oh, it rubbed. Just keep going.
Back up from here.
Yeah, back up.